You have contested in the north states, and you've seen how there is a huge difference in the northern Muslims and Muslims in Tamil Nadu. How is it the polarization levels are different, and they are probably at a better level than their northern counterparts? So, how is it going to be? How different is it going to be for the AIMIM in Tamil Nadu?
See, one important point which I feel that people are not understanding and are not able to appreciate, that there is a great churning and desire among the young Muslim youth. And what is that desire, what is that change which they want, is that they want their own political leadership to emerge. And they feel that in this present times which we are living, we have tried all the experiments, their elders have tried all the experiments, but has that led to the number one, political empowerment of the community? Has that led to discrimination being stopped? Has that led to opportunism when it comes to the issues? So these are important issues which the present day Muslim youth are facing, and they want this thing to happen, they want this change to happen. So to say that polarization, because of polarization, MIM is emerging, no, MIM is emerging and MIM will continue to grow, because that is what the Muslim youth are demanding. This is what they want to see. And we are saying that yes, this is what has been the message of MIM for last 63 years. So to say that polarization is happening there or not happening here, polarization is everywhere. Polarization is complete everywhere. So to say that there is no polarization in X region of India or Y region of India, there is definitely polarization. And that is why you see, because of polarization only, these political parties don't want an independent political Muslim voice to emerge, which is the necessity, which is, I feel it is very important to strengthen our democracy. Because Indian democracy, unfortunately, has now become a majoritarian form of democracy. That has never been the intention and dreams of our forefathers. They have always envisaged, they have always dreamed that India would be a representative or a participative form of democracy, which has not been true, their dreams have been shattered. And that is why you see that everyone wants a power, basically, so that in a very majoritarian form of way, whether this area or that area, there is uniformity as far as this is happening everywhere.